Smart manufacturing model line based on state-of-the-art IoT and FA technology and edge computing. We propose a step-by-step approach for smartization based on FA and IT technology. Converting manufacturing information into big data contributes to efficient manufacturing that reflects information gathered on customers, orders, and materials, as well as equipment operation. Flexible production, autonomous manufacturing, and AI-based preventative maintenance are achieved based on real-time information on manufacturing site and feedback results. The IoT makes the automation of picking using cobots, industrial robots, and 3D vision possible while streamlining inventory management. Order information entered into the IT system goes through the master and is converted into production information. Engraving customer order information on components and processing of raw materials are performed simultaneously. The laser cutting machine consists of a laser, conveyor, and transfer robot and reflects the order information through FA-IT integrated technology. Secondary precision processing is performed after receiving the laser engraved material. Pass-fail is determined through precise inspection in units of 0.001 millimeters, and the resulting values are sent via edge computing to manage the quality history. High-precision assembly is performed by applying cutting-edge robotics technology, AI technology, and the force sensor function of Smart Plus, and on-site data is sent to the master every millisecond via CC-Link IE-TSN communication. After performing primary inspection in each process, final inspection of the assembly quality is performed, and quality-related data is also collected in real time via CC-Link IE-TSN communication. In the packing process, a test report including information collected and analyzed in real time through edge computing is enclosed with the product before shipment. AI preventative maintenance uses various analytical methods. Packaged products are shipped every 90 seconds and customers are notified of shipping information via HMI. Secures optimal lead time considering production, shipment, and operation status based on a transfer system. Experience advanced technologies combining IQ Monozukuri application and AR technology, and software functions and application examples of eFactory partners. All data are collected in real time during the manufacturing process, and the feedback of the whole process status is immediately provided on site to improve manufacturing and ensure corporate competitiveness. Mitsubishi Electric Automation Korea realizes true smart manufacturing.